Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. As you can see, I have an unboxing from SCENTSY and my friend Uilani. She is a SCENTSY demonstrator and this is who I get my lovely stuff from. And thank you, girl, for hooking it up and reminding me when my favorites come out. And so, on September 1st, they released an NBC line. Look, woo! And so I did get the warmer, and they also included a mini warmer, so I got that as well, of course. And then they do have release of scents, and I got those as well. So one is called Jack's Obsession, and the other is called Halloween Town. And the Jack Obsession smells like cinnamony. Smells like coals. Smells cinnamony. Smells good. And then the Halloween Town has like a clean smell. I don't know. I can't place the smell. But they both smell well. So let's get in to this warmer so we can check it out and I can plug it in and start using it. So I'm gonna open the box. I'll be right back. Look, it says, every day is Halloween. What a wonderful nightmare. How cute. And look at all the Jacks on the box. I'm gonna have to like reuse these panels. There's this accessory. Here's the dish. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. This is where you put your melt, your wax melt. It says the Pumpkin King. How pretty. It's not for food. You cannot heat up your salmon in this. Not for food. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Okay, let's put that there. Oh. Look at how beautiful he is. Look at how big he is. Love him. That's our little light bulb. Look at him. He is big. He's huge. I love it. Pumpkin King. He got his little stripes. His bat bow. So pretty. And then his little dish. Aww. And the accessory as well goes, I see where it goes. Piece of metal. And it goes right in those little washers. Okay, let's get the full effects now. Oh my goodness. I love it. Yeah, so hopefully they're not sold out. If you guys are interested, I'll leave Ui's link in the description box below. You guys can go check her out and get your order in, girls, because I do have a feeling they might be already sold out. Sorry. But yes, so now I'm gonna find a place for this, probably on my coffee bar, if my daughter doesn't steal it first. One last look. Oh, look at it. Love. Good.
Looks good, all glowed up.
Good job, SCENTSY. So this is their collab, I guess, with Disney. Next month, I think the villains come out. So I need to watch for that. October 1st is the next release of the villains. And this one says, "My, what a brilliant nose you have. Bark, bark." And that's what we're looking for. Look at the box. It has Zero and him. I'm totally gonna have to reuse this packaging for something. Let's dig in. And the light. The plug-in. Okay, sorry, we're back. So, my battery died. But yeah, so the hill, and then on this side it has Zero's house. And then I did add the accessory. And this is the dish where you would put the warmer, where you would put the wax melt. How does this? Oh yeah, so this goes in here. They are washers. And then you turn it so that it's able to click on. Okay, so once you get it on, it holds securely in there. And then you can plug it in and check it out. So I am gonna do that. I will take you with me. So stay tuned till we plug them in. And there it is. This is how it looks plugged in. Oh, so cute. It is illuminating. Look at Zero's house. Oh, it's so beautiful. So yeah, like I said, I will leave her link in the description box below so you guys can see if they're still available and get yourself one as well. So yeah, those are the melts again. So like I said, I'll leave her link in my description box below so you guys can go check her out and see if you are able to still get this. For more videos like these, like and subscribe here. And until my next video, shakas!